A 19-year-old kid made over $30,000 in 1 month using AI. Meanwhile, millions of people are still wasting time scrolling social media, not realizing that 2026 is about to create a brand new class of millionaires. And the craziest part? Most of these AI tools are either free or insanely cheap. So if you ignore this video, someone else will use these tools to build the future while you watch from the sidelines. Before we begin, hit that like button and subscribe right now. Because this channel is all about AI, finance, geopolitics, and smart ways to stay ahead before the world catches on. Starting at number 5. ChatGPT. Most people think ChatGPT is just a chatbot. That's exactly why they're behind. Smart people are using it like a business machine. Imagine having a copywriter, a marketing expert, a teacher, a business consultant, and a content creator working for you 24 hours a day. That's what ChatGPT really is. People are using it to write YouTube scripts, generate business ideas, create online courses, build ebooks, write ad copy, start freelance businesses, and even automate customer support. And here's the craziest part. You don't need to be a genius to use it. A lot of people making money with AI are normal people who simply learned how to ask better questions. For example, instead of saying, "Give me business ideas," smart users say, "Give me 10 business ideas with low competition, high profit margins, and strong demand in the United States for 2026. That one difference changes everything. The people who master prompting today could become the entrepreneurs of tomorrow. Coming in at number 4. Midjourney. This AI can create images that honestly look better than some Hollywood movie posters. And businesses are obsessed with visuals right now. Think about it, every brand needs thumbnails, advertisements, Instagram posts, logos, product designs, website graphics, marketing content. Before AI, companies needed entire design teams. Now, one person with Midjourney can create stunning visuals in minutes. People are already making money by selling AI-generated art, designing book covers, creating YouTube thumbnails, running social media pages, making print-on-demand products, even selling digital wallpapers online. And this is just the beginning. Attention is the new currency of the internet. If your content looks premium, people stop scrolling. And the creators who master AI visuals in 2026 are going to dominate social media. Number 3 on the list. ElevenLabs. This tool is honestly terrifying and amazing at the same time. ElevenLabs can generate human-like voices that sound almost completely real. Not robotic. Not weird. Actually natural. This technology is changing content creation forever. People are using it to run faceless YouTube channels, create podcasts, make audiobooks, dub videos into different languages, produce TikTok content, and automate voiceovers for businesses. Imagine this. One person can now create a sports channel, a finance channel, a documentary channel, a motivation channel, all without recording their real voice once. That's insane. And because AI voices can work 24/7, creators are uploading more content than ever before. Some channels are getting millions of views using AI narration combined with AI visuals. And companies are also saving huge amounts of money. Instead of hiring expensive voice actors, they're using AI-generated voices for ads, training videos, and customer experiences. This is why voice AI is becoming one of the fastest-growing industries in tech. At number 2. Claude. Now this tool is different. Claude feels less like a chatbot and more like an intelligent assistant. This AI is incredibly powerful for deep research, long-form writing, coding, strategy, data analysis, and problem solving. While most people waste hours searching random websites, Claude can summarize huge documents and explain complicated ideas in minutes. Startups are using tools like Claude to move faster than companies with massive teams. And here's what most people still don't understand. AI doesn't just save time. It multiplies productivity. A single smart person using AI can now compete with entire businesses. That's why companies are rushing to adopt AI right now. Because whoever moves faster wins. And in the future, people who know how to work with AI will become far more valuable than people who ignore it. And finally, the number 1 AI tool that could completely change the creator economy in 2026. Runway ML. This tool feels like science fiction. Runway can generate cinematic videos using AI. You can literally type an idea, and AI creates scenes for you. Think about how crazy that is. For years, high-quality video production required expensive cameras, editing software, actors, studios, huge teams. Now AI is changing all of that. Creators are already using Runway to make short films, create ads, produce music videos, generate cinematic B-roll, edit videos faster, and create content that used to cost thousands of dollars. This is why Hollywood and major media companies are paying very close attention to AI video tools. Because the barrier to content creation is disappearing. And when barriers disappear, new creators explode. The next generation of massive YouTubers, filmmakers, and online brands will probably be powered heavily by AI. Not because AI replaces creativity, but because AI gives creative people superpowers. Here's the truth. AI is not just another trend. This is a technological revolution. The people who learn these tools early will have an enormous advantage over everyone else. Just like people who understood the internet early became rich. The same thing is happening with AI right now. And by 2026, some people will wish they started learning today. So the question is, will you become one of the people using AI to build freedom, money, and opportunities? Or one of the people saying, I wish I started earlier? Comment below which AI tool impressed you the most. And subscribe for more videos about AI, future technology, and online success. Rocketfire.